Friends, there is no doubt that science has progressed a lot. And our scientists have made such amazing inventions due to which we can finish even the biggest tasks in a jiffy. But even today there are many such mysteries in this world, which are yet to be solved. One of these mysteries is Amazon jungle. Inside which there are so many such mysteries hidden, which even today remain an unsolved puzzle for the whole world as well as scientists. So friends, let us take you in today's video on that journey of Amazon jungle, knowing about the mystery of which you will be completely surprised and upset. So friends, do not make the mistake of skipping this video because this is going to be a very amazing video. So let's see what the mystery is. Mysterious tribes. As we all know that the Amazon forest is very dense as well as a habitat of very dangerous animals. In such a situation, it is absolutely impossible to imagine the existence of humans inside this forest. But you will be completely shocked to hear that many tribal people live inside this forest. Although some of these people live on the edges of this forest and do not hesitate to meet and talk to people coming from outside. But there are some tribes also living in this forest who like to stay completely away from the outside world and remain engrossed in their own world. Because even in today's modern era, these tribes like to live like completely primitive people. They survive by eating the meat of wild animals and use the leaves and barks of trees as their clothes. They live in such an inner part of this forest that reaching there can be a very difficult task for any common man. But if any person tries to reach them even by mistake, then these people do not delay even a moment in killing him. Because they do not like interference of outsiders in their world at all. This is the reason that very little information and pictures about them have come to the world. And even today this tribe is no less than a mystery for the whole world as well as scientists. Walking tree. The Amazon forest, full of lush green trees and plants, is also known as the lungs of the world. Because thousands of trees and plants present in this forest take in carbon dioxide and in return provide pure and fresh oxygen to us humans. You will be surprised to know that the whole world gets more than 20% of oxygen from these trees and plants present in the Amazon forest. However, according to a report, about 390 billion trees are found in about 16,000 different species of trees in the Amazon forest. But among these trees, the species of palm tree is quite strange as well as quite unbelievable. Because these trees also walk just like us humans. Actually, to reach the place where sunlight falls, these plum trees grow slowly from their place, and along with this the roots of this tree also start moving forward. Although the speed of this tree may be slow, but there is no doubt that these trees keep changing their place. This is why these trees are also known as walking trees, which is no less than a mystery for the whole world. Mysterious geoglyphs. The Amazon is so vast that you can guess its size from the fact that if it were a country, it would have been recognized as the 9th country in the world. However, all these things completely shook the minds of scientists when they saw these shapes, which were mostly made in square and circle shape. Scientists noticed those shapes when some scientists tried to take some pictures with the help of drones with the aim of solving the mystery of the Amazon forest. The number of those shapes in this forest was not one or two but in hundreds, which later scientists named it geoglyph. And guessed that those shapes must have been made about 2,000 years ago. But who would have made those shapes when and why? This still remains an unsolved puzzle for scientists. Lost City of Z. Let us now introduce you to that mystery of the Amazon jungle. To uncover it, British explorer Percival Fawcett took up the challenge in 1920. Actually, the Major found a document in a library which was written by a Portuguese explorer. It was clearly written in this document that the Portuguese explorer had seen a city in the Amazon jungle. The walls and roofs of the houses built inside it were made of gold and silver. Then what? The Major along with some of his companions took all the goods and set out in search of that city, which is known as the City of Z. Let us tell you that this Major Percival Fawcett is the same man who claimed to have seen 62 and 70 feet long anacondas. However, during this expedition, the Major kept searching the Amazon jungle for years in search of the City of Z, and during this time he also wrote a letter to his wife. He had sent it through a local man. In this he wrote that his team has reached very close to the City of Z and will reach there soon. This was the last letter after which there was no trace of Major and his companions. However, after their disappearance, about 200 people were sent to find them. But these people never returned, and this mystery still remains a mystery whether the sky ate up Major's team and about 200 people who went to find them or the earth swallowed them. Boiling River. The Chane Timpishka River in the Amazon jungle is also commonly known as La Bamba. This river is not an ordinary river because the water present in it keeps boiling 24 hours a day throughout the year, whose average temperature is around 45 degrees Celsius. And at some places, the temperature of this water reaches 100 degrees Celsius. Perhaps this is the reason why this river is also known as the Boiling River. The length of this river filled with boiling water is around 6.5 kilometers, and its width is around 80 feet, while its depth is around 20 feet. Although this river can prove to be very dangerous for humans on one hand, it is no less than a river of death for the animals living in this forest. Because if any animal falls into this river by mistake, then only their bones remain after getting scorched in the hot water of the river. Maricoxy. The Amazon forest touches the borders of 9 countries of the world. Scientists from all over the world have been researching on it for years to uncover the mystery associated with it. But at that time even these scientists were shocked when a British explorer encountered an animal that looked like half human and half monkey. It was none other than a ferocious animal of the Neryclox species, whose length was around 12 feet. That animal looked so ferocious that the British explorers got completely scared on seeing it, and before they could understand anything, Neryclox tried to attack them. After which the British explorer quickly targeted Neryclox and fired some bullets from his gun. Scared by this, Neryclox moved aside for a while, and taking advantage of this, the British explorer thought it best to save his life and get out of the forest. In this way, you can guess that there are still many creatures living inside the Amazon forest, whose secrets are yet to be uncovered. Mystery balls. Let us now talk about the mystery balls, which is one of the many mysteries related to the Amazon jungle. There is a belief among people about these rocks that they were made by humans in ancient times for some ritual related to worship. However, no concrete evidence has been found till date as to how much truth is there in this. But if there is even a little truth in this, then the biggest surprising thing is that how could humans have made such a structure in ancient times without any tools? This in itself is no less than a mystery. And perhaps this is the reason why these pieces of stone made in a completely circular shape are known as mystery balls. Alien. Now this was about the Amazon jungle and the Amazon River, which hold many kinds of mysteries within them. But now we are going to tell you about a mystery related to this jungle which will shake you to the core. Because it is believed that the Amazon jungle is not untouched by aliens, and there are loud talks about UFOs being seen in this jungle. In such a situation, the coming and going of aliens through this jungle cannot be denied. Because the Amazon jungle is so dense and vast that it can be a better place for creatures from other planets to live here, but you should know how much truth is there in this. There has been no official confirmation of this till now. Because till date, all the explorers who have gone to this jungle have not seen anything yet. From which it can be said that the steps of aliens have reached the Amazon jungle. Amazon River. Along with being the largest forest in the world, the Amazon forest holds many mysteries within itself, through which passes the river which the whole world knows as the Amazon River. Spread over about 6,840 kilometers, this river also holds many mysteries within itself like the Amazon forest. On one hand, in terms of water, this river is known as the second largest river in the world. On the other hand, with the flow of water, it holds its identity as the largest river in the world. An average of 209,000 cubic meters of water passes through this river in just 1 second, and it goes and meets the Atlantic Ocean. You can guess the vastness of the Amazon River from the fact that in terms of water, even the water of about 10 to 15 top rivers of the whole world cannot compete with the Amazon River. So friends, this video ends here. Hope you liked this video. Which of these did you find the most mysterious? Do tell us by commenting. And yes, don't forget to share this video with your friends. Also, like this video, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, then do it immediately. Also, don't forget to press the bell icon, because it takes a lot of hard work to make a video. So friends, now we will meet with such an amazing video. Till then, take care of yourself.